Hello everyone, it is Brandy here. I am so excited. We just opened registration for the Creativate Fall 2022 Retreat. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, as many of you I know are too. Now, if you're new and you're like, what is Creativate? Well, I'm super excited to share with you. We have a virtual online stamping retreat, and it happens on October 14th and 15th. That's right, we start on Friday night and then we go all day on Saturday. And so it's just really a lot of fun. We do 9 live presentations. That's right, so you're gonna get 9 live presentations with the Creativate team. That's myself and 3 of my dearest friends who are also Stampin' Up! Demonstrators. And so we come together to offer you this live virtual event. And on Thursday, Thursday before the event, we give you all of the cutting instructions. And you've also got the backup videos that you can watch as well. So we always have a backup plan in case technology goes crazy. But most importantly, we come together and we just have a lot of fun. Now, maybe you're wondering, okay, who all attends these Creativate retreats? That's a really good question. We have folks from all over the world. That's right. We have folks, crafters joining us from Germany, Australia, Austria, United Kingdom, Canada, the United States. Anybody is welcome to join us. Anybody. Friends, family, demonstrators, some of our team members also enjoy joining us. So it is open to anybody. Really, it's just a lot of fun. The idea is that we're going to show you lots of ideas, give you lots of inspiration. Our hope is to keep you crafting for weeks to come. That's what we hope, and that you'll want to join us for a new set of ideas, maybe for the next Creativate retreat. So we do them quarterly, and the next one coming up is October 14th through the 15th. Registration is open, so you can go to BrandysCards.com/Creativate. And there you'll find the registration. Just click on that. Now, just so you know, each Creativate leader does have their own link to register. I'd be grateful if you would consider registering with me. I'd be honored to have you as a guest of Brandy's Cards. So definitely visit BrandysCards.com/Creativate and you'll find the link to register there. Now, one of the really cool things, once you register, you will be able to start seeing some of our challenges. That's right. So the event, we have 4 Mondays leading up to the Creativate Retreat for the fall event. And so starting on this Monday, we are going to offer the first challenge. Now, these card challenges are optional. You don't have to do them, but really they just get your wheels turning. They kind of, you can brush off some dust off your crafting supplies. And our hope is that you kind of get crafting before the event so that you can just dive right in and your juices are flowing and you're ready to go. So the first challenge will post this coming Monday. And all you have to do is you log into your Brandy's Cards Creativate Fall Retreat webpage. That's right, all of the links and the tutorials are going to be on a one-stop shop, a webpage on Brandy's Cards. That way, all you do is click on that and you will have access to download tutorials, links to videos, schedules, upcoming dates, challenges, you name it. We've got lots of fun stuff for you. So the Creativate Fall Retreat, it's coming up. Registration is open now. That's right, so it is open right now and it will close right before the event. But don't wait. It's better if you get registered so you can jump in and enjoy the challenges and the fun that leads up to the event itself. Now, I do want to just let you know this is all on YouTube. So these presentations are YouTube Live. There has been some confusion with Facebook. Facebook is optional. It's just for sharing. So once you create your cards from the designs and ideas that we share, you're welcome to join the private Facebook group where we post all kinds, where everybody posts their ideas. So not only do you get the Creativate team's ideas for your inspiration, but if you're a part of the Facebook group, oh my gosh, there's hundreds of ideas out there. Holy cow. So you can log in, you can share your card is there as well. But then again, you can see all of the fantastic ideas that were posted there as well. Now, I didn't mention something else really cool about the Creativate Retreat. There's lots of door prizes. That's right. I actually wrote it down. There's 32 door prize giveaways. Oh my goodness, and it is completely random. That's right, so it's a completely random draw. And after each live presentation, we draw names for the door prizes. So we have those ready to share the winners at that time. The winners are also posted on the retreat webpage, so you can find them there after the retreat as well. So just lots of fun, lots of ideas. We just hope that you come and fellowship and, just enjoy yourself and use what you have in your supplies. So I actually pulled just a few retreat projects. We've done 10 of them now, like 10 of them. So we've been doing these a long time, and it's pretty remarkable. We've never had the same idea done twice, which is pretty unbelievable. So it's been a lot of fun. I've pulled just a couple of projects to show you, and there's lots of different ones, so I could show you a bunch. But I'm just going to start with just a few of my favorites that I've done in the past, keeping in mind some of these stamp sets are now retired. But the good news is the projects, they're still the same. The techniques and the tutorials, you can still use the same design, just change the image. That's the beauty of the Creativate Retreat. So let me show you. I have this card, which I love. Check out this brick wall. Oh yeah, that was super fun. So that was from one of the events. Of course, we also have fun folds. There's always something for everyone. We've got 3D items, boxes, fun folds. So check out this fun fold. And then I've got your back, and then you open it up. No matter what, I'm here for you. So stinking cute. Oh my goodness, I just love this. And what a cute little Valentine card as well. So you see the little gem on the heart? Oh, I love it. Okay, so check out this one. This is more of a holiday card. And this is some floating strips. Oh yeah, super cool. Yep, this was at a Creativate retreat. Maybe, I don't know, maybe it was last fall. I'm not sure. But oh, it was one of my favorites. So cool. Now here's another fun fold for you using that really cute pet stamp set. Peace, Joy, and Kisses. The belly band slides off, and then you open it up, and Santa Paws is coming to town. So you could use just about anything to create this card. You don't have to use this stamp set. Oh my goodness, we have so many that you can use. This was just kind of this was the first one that I shared, and the stamp set was still available. All right, so one more that I'm going to show you. So here is, this is one of the challenges. So, and all the challenges change every Creativate retreat. This particular retreat, my challenge to the attendees was to use 3 different embossing folders. Do you see? I've got 3 different folders in here. It's just a lot of fun, and it just challenges them to think outside of the box and maybe just have some fun with their creativity. So that is the Creativate Retreat. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'd love the opportunity to help you. I'd love for you to be a guest of BrandysCards, and I'd be grateful for the opportunity to have you join and to be a part of such a fun weekend. It is so much fun. A lot of ladies tell me that it's so much fun that they're exhausted on the next day, on Sunday. I believe that. We really do just kind of do a lot of crafting and a lot of sharing, a lot of laughing and fellowship. So just a really great day. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, don't forget to go over to BrandysCards.com/Creativate and get registered today. Take care. Bye now.